Hi guys, and this is a new video about the TikTok application. Today we will show you how to use saved song on TikTok. So let's open the TikTok application. Right now we are on the For You page, and for example I really like the sound of the video and I want to use it later for my own TikToks. How to save this sound? We just need to click on the sound icon at the corner of the screen here and tap on the Favorites option to save the selected song. You can, without any troubles, go to the new video recording after tapping on the rest button. But for example, you forgot about this, you used your TikTok application as always, and after some time you want to create a new video. Let's create it as an example. Let's click on the check mark to save changes, and for example this is our new TikTok. But how to add this saved sound on a TikTok right now? How to find it? Where is the favorite section here? You just need to pick on the add sound option at the top of the screen and go to the favorite section here. And as you can check, here is our saved sound we want to add. Without no troubles, you can add it after clicking on it one time. Right now the text is red, which means that the sound is smoothly added. Also, you can cut this sound and choose another start point of the sound after dragging the soundtrack to the needful time. For example, I want to use this part of the sound for my video. Let's click on the Done option. Also, don't forget that you can disable the original sound, or you can go to the volume section to correct the level of the original sound volume and the added sound one. For example, I want to use the maximum 200 level for my added sound. Let's click on the Done again. Also, if you don't want to use this option, you can click on the cross here. Another way to add the favorite sound for your TikTok is to go to the edit mode here, which is the first one on the right bar. And guys, click on the sound option here also. Later we need to go to the add sound and also go to the favorites. In the same way, after clicking on it, you can use it. If you don't want to have this sound in your favorite list, let's click on the favorite icon opposite it, and from now on this sound is deactivated from your favorites, is deleted and removed. If you want to add it again, let's click on the saved option also, second time, and well done. Right now this sound is in your favorites. So let's add it again to our TikTok and click on the use. In this way you can click on the sound you had added and correct its duration. As you can check, it's very easy to do. Very easy. Also, you can correct the volume level of the added sound. For example, as before, I want to use the maximum level and save it. But as you can check, you cannot choose the first point of the sound. So the sound will be played from the first moment. We cannot correct the part we want to add for our TikTok. We only can cut the sound but not choose the part of the sound. It's very bad, but as I said before, you have another option to correct it, as I shown you before. And guys, you can also replace sound if you want to choose another sound, not from your favorite but from the recommendation list, and also activate the voice recover or voice effect, etc. So guys, let's save the changes if you like them and click on the next to publish our newly created TikTok. Guys, don't forget to like this video if it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool tutorials about the TikTok application and other cool programs. So goodbye guys, good luck!